Hi, I'm Tom Varcie, military vlogger at Military Embedded Systems, and we're here Xponential 2018 in Denver. I have our esteemed technology editor, Mariana. How are you, Mariana?
I am doing well, and you, Tom?
I'm doing well. Mariana, there's a lot of beeping and trucks moving around and boxes and clanging because all of the booths are still being built right now. Our booth is already built. And we've been cruising the show today, kind of looking at some of the new technologies and getting an idea of what some of the companies are going to be showing at the show this year. What are 3 things that you're interested in seeing at Xponential this year?
Thank you, Tom. That's right. This is a big show. There's a lot going on today, and people are definitely working hard to get their booths ready. And 3 things that I'm looking forward to in this show are really simple. One is safety. There's got to be a lot of talk about safety, about this drone integration into national airspace. The second thing I'm looking forward to are, of course, the keynotes. We got to know exactly what's going on, and that's going to be the word of mouth every single day in and day out. They're going to be talking about technology. They're going to be talking about artificial intelligence. I hope they're going to be talking about safety as well. And the third thing that I'm looking forward to is, of course, the exhibit floor. Being able to go in there and talk to these companies one-on-one and actually knowing exactly what they're working on and what's going to be going out to both users, both military end users and commercial end users tomorrow at the end of the day.
Right. There's also a lot of news about AI, machine learning, and also big data. How are all 3 of those working together with unmanned systems?
Well, artificial intelligence is big buzzwords going on, machine learning, everything going on around the technology. What artificial intelligence and machine learning are going to be able to do is kind of enable the drones to be talking to each other. They're going to be enable them to fly in national airspace without bumping into anything else. It's going to enable them to understand what it is that they're looking at and avoid any sense and avoid technology type of things. Don't quote me on this, because that's exactly what I'm looking forward to learning, being able to talk to all the companies and seeing how is artificial intelligence going to affect drones tomorrow and even today. So definitely, if you guys are out there, don't hesitate to stop me. Love to talk to every single one of you if I have the time.
There's a lot of time and a lot of people to see at the show too. Actually, you were talking about regulations earlier too.
Yes, I'm sorry to interrupt you, and I didn't even get to big data and how artificial intelligence is going to affect big data. Regulations, let me backtrack a little bit. Regulations is a huge thing for artificial intelligence, not quite been hammered down yet about how artificial intelligence is going to be regulated in the future, and I think that's a big, sensitive topic that we need to be talking about. And as far as big data goes, and to answer your earlier question, I'm so sorry for not doing that, is big data and artificial intelligence will go hand in hand, is being able to sift through all that technology, all that actionable intelligence is what artificial intelligence is going to enable us to do. Being able to quickly assess what's going on out there and make a decision so the operator understands what's going on as quickly as possible.
Wow. Well, we're certainly excited that we're at Xponential again this year. I have quite a few videos that are going to be shot at the show this year. You can see those under #MilitaryVlogger. And also follow Mariana. She's on Twitter as well. So
absolutely. Yes, contact me at Mariana _Iriarte. I know that's going to be hard for a lot of you guys, but don't hesitate to reach out. It's on my card. It's everywhere. You can find me both on LinkedIn and on Twitter.
Follow her.